Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words still, steal, and steal. Let's look at each one individually. Still can be used as an adverb, adjective, or noun. As an adverb, it means up to now, or even now. As an adjective, it describes something that is motionless or quiet. As a noun, it refers to a state of calm or tranquility. For example, adverb, she is still waiting for her friend. Adjective, the lake was still in the early morning. Noun, he enjoyed the still of the night. Steel, it is a noun that refers to a strong, hard metal made from iron and carbon, often used in construction and manufacturing. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to prepare oneself mentally or emotionally for something challenging. For example, noun, the bridge is made of steel. Verb, she had to steel herself for the tough conversation ahead. Steal, a verb meaning to take someone else's property without right or permission, or to come or go secretly, without being noticed. For example, she knew it was wrong to steal the wallet's contents. This deal is a steal. To summarize, still indicates a lack of movement or continuation, adverb, adjective, noun. Steel, a strong metal or the act of preparing oneself, noun, verb. Steal refers to taking something unlawfully, verb. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.